Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to enable two-factor authentication in Microsoft account. So let's see. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you log into your Microsoft account. Having logged into your Microsoft account, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the sidebar right here, and then what you need to do is to simply click on security. Then you'll be asking to log in with your password. Simply sign in. And it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here where you have two-step verification. Click on it. And it's going to take you right here. You can simply come to the top right here where you see two-step verification of. Simply click on here, manage. Two-step verification had an extra layer of protection to your account. After you have turned it on, we will ask you to enter an additional security code where you sign in. We provide this security code only to you. In the following step, we help you make sure you have an up-to-date security info where you can refill your security code. What you need to do is to simply read on this information. And at the most important part right here is the third one right here. Print or write down your recovery code. This is very much important. So the next thing you need to do is to simply click on next right here. So click on next. So to finish the setup, we need one more way to make sure you verified my identity with. So simply click on here and choose the option you want to use to verify your identity. You can verify your identity with an app or an alternative email address or a phone number. So in this regard, I'm going to simply make use of an alternative email address. Then I'll provide the email address right here. Then I'll simply click on next right here. And a code will be sent to the email address I provide. So I need to simply click a new tab right here. And I'll simply log in to the mail. Then I'll enter my Yahoo ID. And I'll click on next. And I'll enter my password right here. Then right here, I have the security code right here on my mail. I'll simply click on here. And I will copy the code right here. I will simply highlight. I will right click. And I'll make sure I click on copy. Then I have to go back here. I will paste right here. Paste. And I'll click on next. Then your new code is this. You can click on print right here, or you can simply highlight your code and copy it and save it somewhere. Right click and copy it. So what I'm going to do is to simply open a notepad on my PC right here. I will just open a notepad. So just make sure that you save the code in a place that you will always have access to. So I'm going to paste it on my notepad for now. Then I'll paste it right here. Then I'll go to File, Save As, Microsoft Code. Okay, Microsoft Recovery Code. So I'll simply save it to my desktop. Then I'll click on Save right here. And that is that. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on Next right here. Having saved the code, click on Next. And we have it right here. Smartphone with an app password. Do you synchronize your Outlook.com email on any of the following devices? So synchronize my Outlook email on Android phone, on iPhone or a BlackBerry. If you don't synchronize your Outlook email with any of the above device, tap or click next. I'll simply then, so right here, I'll simply select synchronize with my Android phone. Open the mail app on your phone, tap menu, the settings, Microsoft account, incoming settings, server, and the likes, then click on done. You connect it. It's as simple as that. And you have a password to be replaced, which is this. I will simply highlight and copy this password. For now, I will paste it right here. So I will call this one synchronize password. So I'm going to simply paste it right here. Then I will save it back. save as, and I'll click on save. I'll click on yes. Then we go back right here and I will click on next right here from the bottom right here. Click on next. And then right here, you have everything set up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on finished. It's as simple as that. So as you can see right here, my two-step verification has been on successfully. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.